Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're at Ferne Clyffe State Park. We're just south of Goreville, Illinois. We're standing here in the campgrounds. And what we're going to do is we're going to hike the Waterfall Trail. I've never done it, so come along with us. We'll enjoy it together. Let's get started. Okay, the Waterfall Trail is right across from the campgrounds. It says it's about a mile to the waterfall. We're going to see. I got my Strava going so we can measure it. Today is January 28th. It's noon right now. Sprinkled just a bit. We had snow earlier in the week. I had quite a bit down here where we're at. So we're hoping that the waterfalls will be flowing. Okay, so here's a view. We've been going downhill the whole time. We haven't went very far, maybe a quarter of a mile. I can see that there's water running down this stream right here beside me. And I don't know if you can hear it, if the camera will pick it up. But I think I hear water falling, and that's a good sign. So we'll just keep continuing on down, see what happens. Like I said, I've never hiked this before, so you're seeing it for the first time with me. You can definitely hear, oh, there's maybe what I'm hearing, there's some water right there. Restricted area, no entry. I assume this is very dangerous. If there's a lot of water moving or if it's frozen. We're going to be very careful today. Okay, so you can kind of see down there. There's some more water moving. It's a very pretty area. Let's come over here and take a look. Okay. I don't think this is the actual waterfall that we're going for. I think we're going to follow the trail down to the end, make a right, and come over this way and head over there where I'm hearing the waterfall. So we'll make our way on down here. Just taking my time working my way down the hill here. I can see where the main trail, it's a pretty good trail right down through there along the bottom. Before we get to the bottom, I just noticed this cedar here. I'll back up where you can kind of see it. Just judging by the diameter of it, I'd say it's 30, 40 years old. It's been there quite a while, but I notice how slick it is, how it's slicked up right here. Probably just from people stopping and leaning on it, sitting there, maybe they're hiking sticks on it. It's fun to think like how many hikers this old tree's met over the years. Pretty neat. Keep making our way down. As I'm getting down in here, see a lot of the rock formation. Originally we were up there on the top, so we're still making our way down. Still got a ways to go. There's the bottom down there. We're about halfway. Nice. So far, every inch of this trail, it's a short trail, but so far every inch has had something to see. I hear some people coming. We'll run off here. Still working my way down. You can see I'm almost there now. And got a big bluff right here on the side, just like one rock face right there, real smooth. And then I like to show this big old guy right here. You got to assume that at one point he was part of that and something broke him off and he's working his way down the hill. Someday, I assume, he'll be down there at the bottom. Just kind of neat things to think about. Here's another view of the same rock face from lower, back more. Pretty impressive to look at. kind of a shame. I've never been here before. I think it's just the fact that it's only a 1 mile trail is probably what kept me out. But we're still working our way down. Here's another little bit better. I don't know if you can tell because of all the moss on this, but right there that's all one big chunk of rock. And if you look right here on the face of this rock, I think that would fit perfectly up in that corner. So at one time that was like straight across, and that big chunk of corner all fell out like that. And I'm standing here and looking at that big impressive rock. You can also see how the layers are running down into the ground, where if it was stood up into where it was, the layers would match what's on that rock face. That's just really cool. Oh, you can see this main trail is, well, that's concrete right there. It's pretty well taken care of, nice and wide. Lots of bluff scenery. On both sides, actually. We're making our way up to the falls. We're coming up to the falls. I can see them from here. They're flowing. It's pretty busy. There's a lot of hikers made their way in here. We learned that there is another parking lot. I'm going to try to show that to you if I can find it. It's just really scenic right here. Wow. I'm trying to think as I'm seeing here if I've seen a prettier spot. I'm not going to limit it to Southern Illinois. I don't think I've seen a prettier spot on earth than what I'm seeing right now. This is a must see. Wow. Wow. Also want to point out that if you were here like during a downpour, I think, or after a heavy rain, I think there would be waterfalls all around. I think that would be one, that would be one, of course that one, another one right here, another one right here, right there. I think you'd be surrounded by waterfalls. So shortly after we got here, it got a lot of people here. It's a good place to check out. So. Okay guys, this one's a wrap. Thank you all for watching. I highly encourage you to come check this one out. If you're anywhere in Southern Illinois, head to Goreville, get over to Ferne Clyffe State Park. and come see the waterfall trail. It's well worth it. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you on the next one.